In this video lecture, I'll discuss median for group data continuous frequency distribution. In continuous series, data is arranged in form of groups or class interval. Median is one of the most common measure of central tendency. Median in group data is calculated by using formula L plus n by 2 minus C upon Fm into I. Here, L is the lower limit of the class in which median lies. N is sum of frequency. Fm is the frequency of class in which median lies. C is cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. I is the size of class interval in which median lies. Find the median of the given data. Let's solve this question. First, write down the values of class interval in first column. Now note the value of frequency in the second column. Calculate sigma f, and it is calculated by adding all the values of frequency 4 plus 11 plus 19 plus 14 plus 0 plus 2. So sigma f is equals to 50. Now find out cumulative frequency. Write the frequency of class interval 15 to 25 as it is 4. Now add first frequency and second frequency. So by adding both the frequency, the total will be 4 plus 11 is equals to 15. Now add this frequency to the next frequency. So 15 plus 19 is 34. Add this cumulative frequency to the next frequency of class interval 45 to 55. So 34 plus 14 is 48. Similarly, 48 plus 0 is 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. Always remember, the final value of cumulative frequency is always equal to the sigma f. Sigma f is equals to n, and the value of n is 50. Now find out n by 2. N by 2 means 50 by 2. So n by 2 is 25. Find out the cumulative frequency which is just bigger than n by 2, that is 25. So 4 is not bigger than 25, 15 is not bigger than 25, 34 is bigger than 25, 48 is bigger than 25, 48 is bigger than 25, 50 is bigger than 25, but 34 is just bigger to 25, or it is closest to 25. The median class will be 35 to 45. Now median is calculated by using formula L plus n by 2 minus C upon Fm into I. L is the lower limit of the median class. So the lower limit of median class is 35. So the value of L is 35. Now Fm is the frequency of median class. So the frequency of median class is 19. So the value of Fm is 19. I is the class size of median class. So the class size of median class is 45 minus 35 is 10. So the value of I is 10. Now C. C is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 15. So the value of C is 15. Now put all these value in formula. L is 35 plus n by 2 is 25 minus C is 15. Fm is 19 into 10. 25 minus 15 is 10 upon 19 into 10. 35 plus 100 upon 19. 35 plus 5.263. So median is 40.263.